Thank you, members of the board, for giving me the opportunity to speak to you. Public comments at board meetings is a wonderful component of the democracy we enjoy. It allows us to voice our opinions, and at board meetings that I've attended, I've observed the board listening closely to comments and suggestions made by the public. At a previous meeting, I elaborated on my experience with high-ranking district employees who provided false testimony at an impartial hearing for my daughter's needs, while being coached by the district's prior counsel. And that was all paid for by our tax dollar. In a letter to the board, my mother, who witnessed the ordeal, wrote, "I was utterly disappointed at outright lies which was stated under oath. She also stated that after all the meetings, she was convinced that the council is made up of a selfish, corrupt, and false system, where members have no concern in aiding the children who depend on them. I'm certainly not the only parent with this type of experience, and it's not with pleasure that I get up and speak to you about my child and her disabilities. Smart decisions are informed decisions, which are based on information and facts. Without experience or knowledge of relevant facts, it is imprudent for us to remark on resulting actions. Yet, the information I share with you is typically unknown to the public and remains concealed behind the curtain of HIPAA and other privacy laws, while these are obviously vital facts that surround the board's recent action on council transformation. It is for that reason that I encourage the board to make tonight's crucial decision based on information available to them and hire the firm who has the expertise to stand up to the inherited challenges of this district, because our innocent children deserve an honest educational system." Thank you.